Okay, so this is basically the large holding area for the bison. They're out in a bigger pen. It's been staying there for, I don't know, a couple of days or so. You have to round these animals up when they're out, you know, eating on lots of acreage. Rounded them up. They spent a couple of days doing that. They brought them in. They'll be sorted out into much smaller, and that all these bison will get worked. Guys, it's been 4 months since they've had rain out here in West Texas, and that is hard on these animals. That's hard on the families. That's hard on any farmer that's out here. And unfortunately, this is part of it out here. It's already dry, and then when you don't get rain for 4 months, it's tough. Bison have been through the system before. You can tell they know the routine that they're taking. So this is the holding area that they're in. They're going to be ran through. They're basically going to come right down this lane, and they're going to end up here in what you call the tub, out of the squeeze chute.